Hi there. Welcome to day 25 of 30 Days of Self-Love. Today we look at two more powerful words. We've looked at I am, and now we look at what if. So what if are two words that, again, give us this opportunity to create our reality. What if is futuristic thinking. And whenever we get out there ahead of ourselves, we're not present and our body responds. So when we're using what I call future negatives, what if I fail? What if I fall? What if I embarrass myself? What if I don't get that job? What if I'm not worthy? Our body responds to those as if that thing had already happened. Our nervous system is protective, and all of the hormones of stress show up when we're simply thinking those future negatives. Like we're protecting ourselves from something that might or might not ever happen. Future positives then have the opposite effect. So if we can catch ourselves saying, what if a negative thing, and we simply flip it in our brain, what if, and create a positive thing. So when we catch ourselves saying, what if I fail, we could just say, oh, what if I succeed? What if I fall? What if I fly? It can be a fun game to play, and you'll notice a physical response in your body. So today we're going to use a breath that we use a lot with kids called the roller coaster breath. And we're going to inhale in an exaggerated way, almost like a sniff, like roller coaster going up, and then a long sigh as the roller coaster goes down. So you can close your eyes and picture in your mind just an easy, gentle, rolling roller coaster. So we'll take a deep breath in and then a sigh. Do that a few times on your own. And you're trying to hold your breath at the top a bit, kind of feel that pressure, and then the release. You might even shrug your shoulders up by your ears and tense your body on the inhale. And then relax everything on the exhale. Let's do two more. Now come to a normal breath, slow and steady. But in your mind, picture those hills. So as you inhale, just picture your breath taking you up a little hill. And as you exhale, your breath takes you down. Each time we inhale, it's a stimulation to our nervous system. It's an exciting event for our nervous system. And each time we exhale, it has a calming effect. To exaggerate this, imagine being chased by a lion. And then you get on the other side of the wall. So even with regular breathing, we have that same little up and down. I'd like you to practice today. Anytime you catch yourself saying, what if, followed by a negative, as an uphill breath. You're holding your breath, you're tense, you're on alert. And then you're just going to create a future positive, the opposite, and truly just let your body exhale. So let's try on a few. Inhale. What if I fail? Exhale. But what if I succeed? Inhale. What if I'm wrong? Exhale, what if I'm right? Inhale, what if they don't accept me? Exhale, what if they accept me unconditionally? Continue this throughout your day, noticing the what ifs, and change your future negatives to future positives. Have fun with this one. Namaste.